a senior graphic designer.
Yeah, I'm a social media manager.
One of the web developers.
A graphic designer.
And I'm a project manager.
For creative media.
And today we're here at Todd's Leap for some team building and fun, really.
Todd's Leap sits right smack in the middle of Northern Ireland. We were really blown away by the scale of the whole place. The range of activities on display here today has been phenomenal.
So we started off with some scones and coffee, which is always great because girl needs coffee.
We've been doing clay pigeon shooting.
So that was actually really exciting to do for the first time and seeing everybody else do it as well. Managed to get 2 of those.
It's a great opportunity to get everyone to really let their hair down.
We've done the zip lining,
which was awesome. It's a really good way to finish off the day.
Yeah, so our company, we might work remote, but everyone gets on really well together, and we're kind of like our own wee family. So to come here to Todd's Leap and see a family-run activity centre and to really experience that whole family-run vibe, it's a top-level place, and to have it at your doorstep it's just great, like.